Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing 5 easy breakfast ideas using bread. Each recipe will take no more than 15 minutes of prep time. Before we jump into the recipes, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon to get notified on my future videos. First recipe is avocado dip or guacamole with toasted bread. Scoop out an avocado into a bowl and mash it using a fork. To that, add in chopped onions, tomatoes, salt to taste, chili powder and some Italian seasoning. Squeeze in little lemon. And give it a nice mix. And it is ready to be served with toasted bread. Our next recipe is Palak paneer sandwich. For that, grate in a small piece of paneer. To the grated paneer, add chopped spinach, onions, ginger garlic paste, coriander powder, chili powder, salt and mix well. Stuff the bread with the filling. Apply the butter on both the sides and stack them on the sandwich maker. Toast them well and serve with tomato ketchup or any dipping of your choice. Our third recipe is apple or paniyaram using bread. I've taken 5 slices of bread. Turn them into small pieces and place them in a jar. Add in 4 tablespoons of rice flour, 4 tablespoons of suji, quarter cup of yogurt and blend them into fine paste. To the ground batter, add chopped onions, grated carrots and finely chopped green chilies. Add salt to taste, cumin seeds and mix well. Grease up a pan with oil and add small portions of batter to each slot. Dribble a few drops of oil on top. Cover and cook them on a low flame. Flip them over to cook on the other side. Now it's ready to be served. Serve them hot with coconut chutney. Our fourth recipe is eggless French toast. In a wide bowl, add 2 tablespoons of custard powder, sugar to taste, cinnamon powder, and little milk, and mix well till there are no lumps. Add around half cup of milk and mix well. Heat griddle and grease it with some oil. Dip the bread slice in the prepared mixture on both the sides and toast it on the griddle on low flame. Transfer it to a plate and top it with honey while serving. The last recipe is masala bread toast. To a hot pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds and let it splutter. Then add finely chopped green chilies and finely chopped onion and saute till it turns slightly brown. Add grated carrot and saute well. Add in finely chopped tomatoes and saute till it turns mushy. Now add turmeric powder, garam masala, chaat masala and salt to taste and mix till everything comes together. Toast a bread slice on tawa on both the sides, adding some ghee. Then spread the just prepared masala paste evenly and transfer it to a serving bowl. I hope you like these recipes. Do give them a try and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.